I know as adults and we grow big and we look and we pity them, we're proud of them. You know, I only started following Auntie Donna last year. Me don't know if me never did know about her or what, but me just start follow her last year. And me would follow her and put up her things them and whatever. But I was on her live this morning on YouTube. And me hear she make some damning accusation about women and me take serious offense. She said Jamaican women and people create a lot of blog about me. Say how me a defend Donna, me like Donna and me a look clout and people don't know say me just start follow Donna a couple months ago. And all kind of something and them have all kind of things to say about her. I am not that type of person. Anytime you see me come and say something about somebody, it affect me personally. That's how simple-minded I am. Me not take gossip. And I heard Donna saying this morning that Jamaican women get the most jacket. And it is not the men's fault. It's not the men's fault why we are giving jacket. It's we the woman fault because we have problem and one whole heap of something that she started saying about us. And I take very serious offense to it because me want to know how which kind of bubble Donna live in that Donna no know how Jamaican men, how men treat us. What kind of bubble are you living in that you don't know that we give them jacket because they don't maintain their homes? They are very abusive to us. They cheat in our face and believe so we should accept it. And them have 20 baby mother like everybody else. And when you go and sleep with one man, then left you and think to say you're not good enough because you sleep with one man and then left you. And then left and go take up a stranger who they don't know nothing about and say you are the best thing since sliced bread. Look at what is happening to Nakita and Dane. Them live together for 13 years and everybody is saying, oh, she not entitled to nothing at the house or she not build nothing in the house despite she have 4 children with the man. They with him from she's 17 years old and procreated 3 children and now she have to do a road a beg. 20 years in my marriage, I put on 7 sections to that house and the only thing I get out of that house after 20 years is 2 suits of clothes. So we walk and we give on and we sleep around and we do that because unlike other culture men who take their responsibility serious, our men don't do it. Why would you put out your woman with 4 children and you in the house and carrying a new baby mother and your woman live a road? What kind of sense that make? If you're any man, any at all, you take your 2 suits of clothes and go and catch on the hut and make your children and baby mother stay in the house. But no. Jamaican men where that unalive you. So me not take support of you talk bad about Jamaican women. Jamaican women are stalwart. One Jamaican woman man left her gone mine 13 pick me and send them all to university. Jamaican women work hard. Jamaican women beat the odds. We don't slack a hell and we not give up ourselves. Even you, Donna. When I have my university degree, I put us who are university graduate to shame. You are teaching us that we can do it without university. Stop speaking down on women. Stop speaking down on women. We have been through enough with our men. And stop using your damn platform to speak down against women.